and see if we can't do a little bit of 1 minute scalping on Fomc. We'll see how it goes. Alright, bearish fair value gap paired with bullish fair value gap. I wait for this candle to close. If we close below this bullish one right here, I'd consider taking a short of this bearish discount. Keep in mind that we have the press conference on that next candle. So actually, based on the recent market structure, I try a short right here. Take profit at sell side. Let's see how that goes. Stop above here. No, actually, I won't give it more room than 8 ticks. I want to see this fair value gap to be used. We close below it, open up with a bullish volume imbalance. Note that we also left a bearish one right here. If we flip this fair value gap into an inversion fair value gap, I'd play it along with it. But right now, I would be expecting shorts. Note that we also have a volume imbalance right here. On a 1 minute, we get quite a few of those. One up here would be my last level of resistance. I've got my stop 1 tick above that. So we have the news release, 14:30. Let's see how we react to it. So far we're holding. We could check the consequent encouragement of that 1 minute wick, which would be the level that we just bounced off. Random? Maybe. You can always make sense out of stuff if you want to. That's the beauty of our brains. Always try to make sense out of everything, even if you're in a losing trade. What do you think is going to keep you in that losing trade? Alright, we're stopped. Let's wait for this candle to close. Otherwise, then I'm going to play this inversion. I like this volume imbalance. Right here, we're filled on this volume imbalance. Let's see if we cannot go for the buy side now. See how high we can fly today. I hope you can hear that sarcasm in my voice. It's just paper. Here, right, there's the proof. But I would treat it the same way as I would treat my live trading account, just tape reading it, listening to what price is telling me, and yeah, making my decisions based on that. We bounced off that 50% of this 1 minute wick. We close above this bearish fair value gap, turning it into an inversion. We close above this bearish volume imbalance. We open with a new volume imbalance. I chose a aggressive entry with an unconfirmed volume imbalance. So right now, I would like these levels to be used as support here on the 1 minute. And we finally start to leave some gaps behind that we can use to interpret price. We have a bullish fair value gap right here. Fair value gap. We have that paired with our inversion with a few volume imbalances. Let's see, price is moving rather aggressively, but nothing to worry about as of right now. We just filled the discount that we left behind. We're now filled with all 3 contracts. And I would take my first partial right here. We're going to sell 1 limit right there. Don't see how high we can fly. And the next target would be, is that 5 handles? We entered right, okay, look at this candle close, how it moved within those last seconds. We're bouncing off that new day opening gap. We kept holding this volume imbalance. Let's see if we can hold this bullish fair value gap. That's really what it comes down to. This is how quick this approach can be on a 1 minute time frame. We cleared some buy side here, yeah, a short-term high. But that's not really what we're looking for. It's internal. We want to see if we can't go for that external liquidity. Honestly, I'm going to place a stop right here. Sell stop. If we go below this low, that's not what I would like to see to happen for price. And I'm going to get out with 2 contracts. The other one I'm trying to exit manually. If I see an invalidation, like for example a close below this bullish fair value gap. This is okay, nice. Note how we open up, how we cut through this old bullish one, we close below it. We open up with a new bullish volume imbalance. So we really should see that delivery here. All right, so let's see. I just sent a message out on the Discord. Maybe someone's going to join my stream over ICT stream, and here we go, baby. Noise. All right, so note how we opened up right here on the 1 minute. Also with a bullish volume imbalance. And I want to see that being respected. Volume imbalance. So we just cleared that buy side. Let me actually get rid of 1 more contract. We're going to sell 1 more contract. Nice, so we only end with 1 more contract. Let's see, so we cleared this buy side. Let's actually get rid of that. Let's just get rid of all these stuff, all these things. And just label the highest levels, really. We cleared this buy side, that's what we wanted to see. And here we go. We also cleared this buy side. We open up with a bullish volume imbalance. We kept on respecting this 5 minute one. So let's just see. I'm going to place my stop loss really below this low. This should be a protected low. Note how we open up now after clearing this buy side right here on ES. Bearish volume imbalance. And note that we closed this bullish volume imbalance in right here. So you could see a potential rejection of this old new day opening gap. But also note that we have a new 1 minute bullish fair value gap right here. And what do we use? What does the algo refer to deliver efficiently? Right. Really sorry for you to miss this opportunity, not joining me in here, but it's all right. One day, eventually, everyone's going to recognize the value. We're still on our paper trade. Let's see, we are now around the New York midnight level, which is represented by this dashed line right here, not the red one. There's 1 line thickness right here. We also close in this bearish one, so let's see if we can't use this bullish volume imbalance. A close above the New York local time midnight would be pretty telling now. Remember, we have all our buy side right above here, and I think we can actually ride this paper trade up into the oblivion. Are you joining me on my quest? 30 seconds left to go. Right, note how we opened or how we closed right above the New York local time midnight. We should really see this expand further. Let's check out NQ. NQ pretty much doing the same thing. but I'd say we got the perfect entry on ES. Right now we're just really rallying. Let's see, I'm going to place my stop right below the slow. This is my daily buy side right here. I don't care about the other ones. Let's get rid of all of them actually. I'm placing my last sell limit right here. And here we have our daily buy side. Remember? Where's the label? It's gone. Anyway, we're going to reach for that. Now, another fake gap down, but we still deliver into this. Remember 4609.25? Yes, exactly. Easy going. And there we go.